There are certain things in this world which, once it is gone, there is never a replacement for it. And likewise, there are many moments in time that when it has been missed, it will never happen again. In May of 2013, the USS Freedom, first littoral combat ship, sailed to Singapore and docked within the naval base for an international convention and public exhibition. Between the 18th and the 19th, I was there and saw sailors and ships of various countries dropped their bridges to welcome members of the public for guided tours. And that was the good old days before the pandemic. Both my friend and I, we were both civilians who joined the line for the opportunity to be taken a tour throughout the USS Freedom LCS-1. Upon completion of the tour, we were ushered to this table laid out in middle of the deck, where souvenirs and memorabilia of the ship were being laid for sale. I remember there were t-shirts, hats, mugs, coasters, and a variety of things. Lo and behold, as I walked towards the table, this is the thing that I saw. Being a Zippo fanatic since that time, I knew that I could not lose the opportunity. This being a black ice finished lighter, laser etched with the details of this exact ship where we were standing on. And quite thankfully, I had just the right amount of cash with me. They did not accept alternative payments, and so I had to grab this lighter and off we went. I am not a Navy personnel, and neither do I know a single soul who works for the US Navy who could possibly give this to me. So I come to think that many opportunities came together at once, and it only happened this once. First, the ship sailing to Singapore, docking at the naval base where me and my friend had went and got the opportunity to be on board. And without that enough amount of cash with me, I would quite likely have given this item a miss. The USS Freedom LCS-1 was decommissioned on the 29th September 2021. Therefore, as now, this ship is no longer in existence. Thus, through the experiences that me and my friend has had and the opportunity to acquire this lighter on board the actual ship, it is therefore not a piece that I will ever give up or sell away irregardless of how much anyone is going to pay. Alright everyone, I hope you enjoyed watching this video and perhaps this item and the experiences associated has given you an eye-opener. As of now guys, do stay safe and have a great one.